welcome to my channel. It's your girl Allison, and I'm back again with another video today, you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how I actually came out with these beautiful designs. I'm going to show you guys how I actually did it and file the nails and so forth, you guys. Before I dive into the video, I just want to say welcome to those of you who are new to my channel. Welcome, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into the video, show you guys exactly how I'm going to do with these nails, you guys. I'm excited. Just wanted to show you guys just a little style, the different little styles on each of the nails, you guys. And just show you guys a little bit of the little artwork that I do. And then I'm going to, as time go by, I'm definitely going to show each and every one of you guys more things to come, more things that I actually do and design with nails. So I'm so happy that I have this nail holder that I can show you guys some more little styles and things that I actually do. So yes, you guys, enough of the talking. I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys see my work, see how I do this. So let's dive into the video now. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I'm right here at the end showing you guys how I'm basically putting the stones, going into the design that I have for the nails, you guys. You guys, if you reach this far within the video, you guys, and you really enjoy the video and like the video and would like to see more content, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. All right, you guys. And don't miss out. Don't miss out. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you can stay alert on every video that we be posting. Every week I post on Saturday and Sunday as well. And don't forget to give your girls a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up and drop me a little comment down below, you guys. I definitely will see each and every one of you guys tomorrow, which is Sunday. I have so much more in store and can't wait to deliver and show you guys these things. I enjoy the factor of showing you guys what I know and what helped me, and hopefully pray that it will help every one of you guys to get through this rough time, you know, with this COVID and being on, you know, quarantine and so forth, that these things would help each and every one of you guys, even if it's for business or just so you can have do your own nails or other people's nails or your kids. You know, these are just like basic simple styles that is really pretty much easier for you guys to do. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and see each and every one of you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Bye.